Today we are at the Kaki Bukit industrial area to show you Techview. Follow me. This 5-storey high-specification building is conveniently located right next to Kaki Bukit MRT station. There are also 2 bus stops just outside the building. For those who drive, you'll be pleased to know that Techview has easy access to both the Pan Island Expressway and Kallang-Paya Lebar Expressway, and that the building is equipped with plenty of sheltered parking lots too. Originally designed to support a world-class semiconductor assembly and test operations, Techview features B2 general industrial workspaces that are partially fitted with ceiling works, light fittings and central air conditioning. The large modular floor plates are suitable for high value-added production and manufacturing, allowing full space optimization to maximize your employee productivity. Techview's excellent frontage offers a good corporate image to your business too. Techview also features a food court in the building and is surrounded with many eateries nearby. You can easily beat the lunch hour rush with so many food choices around. Besides all that, Techview has ready access to a wide pool of skilled workforce within the residential area in the vicinity. If you would like more information, please call or drop us an email. We look forward to meeting you in person and giving you a tour of Techview.